can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met.
So once you are already on the Zapier.com website, you can actually create an account. You can sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, or get started free. So what we will be using is, I will sign up with my Google account. So once you give permission to Zapier, you will receive an email like this, that just a reminder that Zapier was granted access to your Google account. So I'm already signed up using my Google account, and Zapier is asking me for some information. So it says here my role is, and then you can choose a role, different roles that will categorize you as a user in Zapier. For now, I'll be using other only, and then click continue. So once you click continue, it will ask you about the apps do you use, and will give you personalized workflow recommendations based on the app you choose. So you'll see here down below that there are actually 2,000 plus apps available, and you can choose any of this, whatever app you would like to automate. For me, since I'll be doing a Gmail automation, so I'll be choosing Gmail. Once you're sure about which app you would like to automate, then you can actually just type in the search button. Since I'll be using Gmail, I already type in Gmail in the search button, and then it will show you the link for Gmail. Once you check that, you could click on Finish Setup. So on the left corner of your screen, you just need, you see this, the dashboard, Zaps, My Apps, Task History, Explore, Get Help. Click Make a Zap. So this is what your screen will look like once you click that. When this happens, choose App and Event. So we will choose Gmail. So it says here choose app and event, Gmail. So what we will be using is the new email. And then click continue. So in here you need to choose the inbox. And then click continue. So we're done with our trigger. Now what we will do is to put some action on it. So we just need to click again on the Gmail, because you need, once you receive an email, you need to respond on that. So click your Gmail. So here we need to click the send email option, and then click continue. Once you click continue, they will be asking you to the authenticated Gmail account. So choose that one and then click continue. So now you have to customize the email. So what we choose here in the two portion is from email. Down below there's a lot of information, or a lot of options here, but this is the one that we choose from name, and then this is what you're gonna see. CC is the carbon copy, or BCC the blind copy. If you need to optimize that, you can insert here. Just scroll down, because we don't have any CC or BCC here, and then we'll go to the from section. In here you can set your email name. So for example, I've placed Janina, And then we have to choose our subject. So what we can do is insert here or type in reply from Janinay. Your body, you can use plain or HTML. We choose the plain. So the body, we can enter any email body. So for example, what I've wrote here is, hi, thank you for your email. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Apologies for the delay. All the best. And then you can choose a signature, a label mailbox, or attachment if needed. If not, then you can hit continue. So once you hit continue, you will be routed to this page that send test email to Gmail. On this part, you'll be able to see what we have entered earlier. And then just test and continue. Here you can see that Zap is ready. Now turn it on. And we can now start sending out an email to Janinay. And let's see if it's working. Before we proceed in checking our Gmail, I will advise you to rename your Zap. So what I did is I renamed it to auto-response email. That's on the right or left corner of your screen. Now let's start sending an email to Janinay921 if the auto-response is working well. So you see that I'll be sending it to Janinay921@gmail.com, and with the subject of test email, click send. So we sent an email to Janinay921, and then we go back to our Zap to check and do a manual run test to see if it has been successful. And as you can see, it's manually running Zap auto-response email, looking for new items, and Gmail, it sent email was successful. So you can close that. Then let's go to the Gmail account and check the email. So I sent out 2 test email, one from my Yahoo and the other one from the Gmail, and I received that. Let's open the Gmail account to see what's inside the email coming from Janinay. If it's the same message from what we did in Zapier. And there you go. I have received a reply coming from Janinay. Let's open that one. There you go. The one that we've made from Zapier, it's actually showing on the email that I received from Janinay. And that's it. That's the easiest way to use Zapier for your automation.